Good morning, traders. FreeTradingVideos.com. You're here, the Breakout Trader, for the morning report, February 3rd, 2009. S&P, we are up 7 3/4 point, up over 1%. Dow's up 659, up 0.87%. Nasdaq's up 9, up 0.83%. Now, if this is going to follow through, what we need to see is the Nasdaq take leadership. We need to see the Nasdaq up on a greater percentage than what the S&P is. It's good to see the S&P is up. S&P's got many sectors right now supporting it. Oil is one of those sectors to support the S&P, up $1.17, up nearly 3%. So we're looking good there. Gasoline with oil up will be up 1.5%, just nearly 2 pennies. And beautiful, beautiful to see, gold is down 17.4 points, continuing that drop. So that is great. Based on Fibonacci's, gold has dropped well past the 61%, which gives it a greater probability of putting a lower high or a double top, and to continue that slide down, which creates probability all the money coming out of gold can come back into our equity market, our stock market, and force the market up. IBM is down this morning. That's not going to help the Dow out too much. And we have Chevron and Exxon up because oil is up. Okay, we need to see IBM. That will really help the Dow push to the upside. Here's our gold ETF. So we're looking at the front month here, and gold is down 1740. The gold ETF is going to take into account, I think it's 12 months of contracts. So we get the balance out now. So we're up 0.11 on the balance overall. Okay, so like I said, we need to see the Nasdaq and the Russell 2000 take leadership. So they need to be up on a greater percentage return than what the Dow and the S&P are. And if we get that, we've got leadership to the upside. Let's get to the chart. We are on a 30-minute chart of the S&P futures. Now this is yesterday's action. What I want to show you here is the damage was done in the morning. So there's the 9:30 open. We dropped down to 11. And then right through here, this market basically goes sideways. Okay, you can see we just trade along, we pop down, we close back up right there. So we spent most of the day going sideways. Yet we had huge volume on this market yesterday. Heavy selling volume. Advances over decliners were decliners over advances were massive ratio. What that is, and what that tells me, is there was a huge buyer in this market. A massive buyer. What was being sold here was being purchased by someone. Now if that buyer can continue and pop to the upside, even if we get up through here or pop stops, we get above these levels, okay, we're really going to pop some stops. We pop those stops, and we can do that for several days. Then all that money sitting in the sideline, all that money in gold, all that money in treasuries, okay, will start to slowly flow back into this market, and we could get a multi-week rally. Okay, pushing it back up to the levels in the S&P that was spoken about in previous videos. So that would be interesting. Alright, let's get to where we're currently at. Here we are. We're on a 30-minute. Let's go to the 60-minute chart here, just so you get a better idea. 820 level. Okay, we're down here in the 700s, low 700s. We've had that big leg down. Now right here we got the higher swing low. We also have a double top right through here. If we can get above this resistance area, we could start to get a move on to the upside. So it's got a lot of work to do yet. Now it's only several points. We just need buying volume to get up there. So it will be interesting. So above 715, based on a resistance, okay, we could get a pop in this market. Now we are up this morning. That can disappear very quickly. Let's see where we are for news. Okay, Nasdaq.com here, Tuesday, March 3rd, motor vehicle sales should be released already. Government same-store sales should be released already. Got a couple of speakers coming out this morning. Bank of Canada, 9 o'clock, no big deal. Pending home sales, 10 o'clock, that will have an effect on us. Other than that, traders, there's very little to report on the news front. So keep an eye today on, obviously, the indexes, but we need to be watching gold, the Treasury notes, the US dollar. There was a massive amount of money going into the US dollar yesterday. And today the US dollar is, we were up a high of 89 yesterday in the futures, 89.19 in the futures, down to 88.84 currently. So we've got money coming out of the US dollar futures right now. That is excellent. That is great stuff. Alright traders, take care, have a safe, successful trading day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.